We mix two types of rice. This is the full rice. This is Nirvana brand, I think, given by Shiva. Shiva gave us 50 kg recently. And then this is a different kind of rice. This one is I call Baras Hanchu. I'm not sure what it's called in English. The rice is not a full grain, it's like half a quarter grain. Yeah? So this is what I add into the dog's food. In this pot, I'm actually cooking food for Shiva's. Shiva is our neighbor at the farm for his dogs. He has got a couple of Dobermans, so there is liver and then there is chicken feed, and of course there's a lot of vegetables, including sweet potatoes, and I also put in some, can't find the pumpkins. This one is for our dogs, okay? Our own dogs. Generally, we cook 3 pots. This is one of the 3. So the rice and the vegetables are here. I need to put the chicken body parts after this. And you can see as well a little bit of spice as well. This is for tomorrow's breakfast. This is for the younger puppies. I don't have any bones inside here. You can see the liver. This is for the older dogs. There is a bit of food. This is also for the older dogs, but they get individual chicken feed to munch on. This is for Shiva's dogs, the 2 Doberman.